Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. Let's see what's going on with you in your love life, how you're doing, how your person is feeling now about the connection, and what action we can expect now, Virgo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel and become part of our Omkara family. And what else did I want to say? Yes, if any of you want a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, so as always, I'm setting down two sets of cards here, Virgo. For me, this is person A, and this is going to be person B. If this is your reading, you will recognize yourself and you will know which side you resonate best with, right? And this is the most likely action person A would like to take, and the most likely action person B would like to take. Bottom of my spread, I do see the Ace of Wands in reverse. So one person, I think, on person A's side feels that it's time that they need to give an apology, or at least send a message, or take this, kickstart this relationship again. They know an apology is required now. They want to send in a message or something. But because person B is feeling like there is nothing here. Where is that stable new beginning that I was supposed to have with person A? This relationship just they just don't want the fights anymore. I mean, they don't want this conflict. In their heart of hearts, they're thinking, let me just leave this conflict behind and move on with or without this person into a happier space now. They're wishing for that, but they're not feeling it's possible. Right? They're hoping to move beyond the conflict, but right now they don't see any stability or any fresh new beginning. This chapter is not shut down yet. I don't think so, but there is a bit of lack of motivation now. All right, because maybe person A needs to give that apology yet. So if this is your story, let's start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could really say something to each other, Virgo, what that would be. Virgo and their person spirit, if they wanted to say something to each other now. Oops. Oh my God, that is crazy. Okay, I dropped one card on the floor. Let me just pick that up. And I'll just leave this one here because it was on the table. And start again. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other now, spirit. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. All right. Let's take a few more from these. These are true confession cards. Virgo and their person. All right. Good to go, Virgo. Let's begin our reading. The first card I have here says, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Yes, it'll be hard, but they do know that an apology is very required now. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. I daydream about being the mother of your children or father of your children. It's sometimes hard to keep the faith when you're taking so long to commit. And like I said, somebody's kind of losing hope now. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Yes, here comes the apology. I was waiting for the sorry card. Here it is. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. I have anger issues I'm working on. I keep looking at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time that I do. You changed up and that triggers me. Okay, so if these are resonating with your story, these messages, let's start clarifying the cards, Virgo. So what's this Page of Cups? Why is this person feeling like this? Person A, Page of Cups, Page of Cups. Are they looking for an apology or do they want to give an apology? No, they do want to take action towards person B, but they feel that person B may be kind of blocking them now or not allowing them back in. And they realize that an apology has to be given before they can take action towards their person now. So, Page of Wands, Spirit, Page of Wands, Page of Wands, Page of Wands. Yes, they want to come out of this. They want this fight to be over between the two of you, where you guys are kind of not kind of being the nicest to each other. They want to get out of feeling that, feeling that loss and feeling in lack and that feeling abandoned and feeling neglected and feeling it's over. And maybe this they want to kickstart this connection again, to say, hey, can we do this again? Can we do this again? I want to have a fresh new beginning with you. This is how they're feeling. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this person to feel like this? The Devil in reverse. So they got released from this connection because somebody couldn't do this anymore. Yes, I think in the past. Why is the Devil in reverse, Spirit? Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse again. Okay, but why was the Devil in reverse in the past, Spirit? Somebody needed to kind of take back power and take back control of the situation. They needed to become that emperor, because some bad memories have been created now between this beautiful soulmate connection, and somebody really, really needed to get over all this toxicity which came into this connection, so that the worst would then be over, so they could have a fresh new start. Because maybe they didn't do it in a hurry, their partner started kind of holding back from them. And now they know, yes, something came out, maybe some secret was revealed or something about some injustice or a court case or some legal matter, or maybe just imbalance in the situation where somebody was not getting justice, and something came out in the open, and they kind of blamed their partner for not taking control and kind of getting rid of whatever was toxic in this situation, because it was making this connection not good. And it left some bad memories here, and that's the reason our person A is feeling, hey, I don't like feeling like this. I need to apologize to my partner and kind of send them a message or something, but they know their partner is blocking them now. So how do they feel about person B now? How does person A feel about this connection and about person A? Person A feels that person B has stopped moving towards them, because they feel that person A is a promise breaker, and they are not stepping up to the plate. Maybe they are a liar. They feel all promises made by them, by person A, are false, and they just don't they know their partner doesn't have a very good impression about them. They feel they don't live up to what they say. Yes. One more, Spirit. Page of they feel their partner may be feeling, yes, that they are only in it for the passion. They're only there to romance them and sing them sweet songs and give them promises, but none of these promises ever kept, and they only come towards them with passion and nothing else, and they don't mean what they say. That's what they feel that person B thinks of them. Okay. So this card we'll take open later, Virgo, to see what action now person A will actually take. But let's see what person A is going B sorry, person B is going through now. So you could be this side, you could be this side. I don't know, Virgo. I'm going to read the energy of person B now. So person B has the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Yeah, because they've been stuck for so long waiting for this fresh new beginning. They've been stuck for so long waiting for this fresh new stable beginning. But all they've got is very little in return. Things are quite stagnant. Things don't move. And even if there is movement, it's very, very little. And person B is kind of losing hope. And Six of Swords. Why are they feeling in the Six of Swords energy? Yeah, they feel it's better that I hold back now from my expectations and stop kind of being in my head all the time. I want to break free of always worrying, of always stressing myself out, and kind of move on. Let the flow of energy take me wherever I need to, as long as I have peace in my life. I'm tired of feeling stressed out all the time. It's time that I pull back now from person A. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel like this? Seven of Cups in reverse. What happened in the recent past to make person B feel this way? Seven of Cups. Somebody didn't make a choice here. Somebody or made a choice which was not for the highest good of this connection. It led to not promising this Ten of Cups maybe. Somebody didn't choose happiness. They feel their partner maybe didn't choose them to have this happily ever after, or the Ten of Cups, and that kind of ruined things between the two of you, Virgo. Now some maybe fight happened or something happened which now there's some bad memories created between the two of you. Six of Cups, Spirit, what happened? Somebody lied or didn't speak their truth, and they feel that their partner emotionally manipulates them or manipulated them, and is very immature, lies to them, doesn't bring clarity doesn't speak their truth, just comes in for passion. Exactly how person A is perceiving. They know what person B is thinking. They are fully aware of how person B is thinking about them. So how do they in actuality feel about person B, Spirit? In person B, how do they actually feel about person A? Eight of Cups in reverse. Why is the Eight of Cups in reverse? Why is the Eight of Cups in reverse? I think they do want their partner to return back to them and invest back into this connection. Wow. What's this Tower moment? What is this Tower? I think they always were waiting for person B to return. Person B was always waiting for person A to return back to them, and kind of, balance out this relationship. But it was like a shocking Tower moment for them to realize that person B was not willing to put in the investment or the time to bring this relationship into harmony. What's this Seven of Pentacles, Spirit? Seven of Pentacles. How do they see this connection now? Yes, they feel their partners being very immature and not giving them what they deserve. Empress in reverse. Not investing as much as they really wished and hoped that they would return and invest. And they've been heartbroken because they feel the person they never invested into this connection. They're trying very hard now to heal after this tower moment where they've realized that person A is not being honest or not offering or not putting in as much effort as they would have liked them to. So let's see what action person A actually wants to take now in this connection, Spirit. What does person A really want to do? How do they feel? Three of Wands. What's this Three of Wands, Spirit? What's this Three of Wands? Do they want to return? With the Three of Wands in reverse, do they want to return back to person B? What do they want from person B? What action will they take now? What are they dropping? What action will they take? What action will they take, Spirit? One more. One more. They do want to return. They are clear on their choice. Somewhere I feel person A feels they've already been dropped and person B has walked away because they never offered this Ten of Pentacles on time. The offer was not given on time. They feel their partner's already walked away after dropping them. Even though they want to return back now, they want to return back because now they know, they're no longer confused. They know that person B is the right choice. So will they take any action regarding it, or are they just going to, will they take any action now, Spirit? Yes, they want to return. Same card again. They want to return. One more. Three of Wands. Yes, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming with an apology or a sorry. This was the first card, right? Yes. Somebody is feeling this way, that I need to quickly go back and apologize, say sorry, return back because I know I'm not confused anymore. I know who my love is. I've chosen my cup. But they're a little afraid that because they didn't say it in the first place, or they took time, their partner may be upset with them and may have dropped them or has walked away from them. Okay, so what is the action person B would like to take now, Spirit? Three of Cups in reverse. Why is that now? They are not... they don't even expect a reunion. Person B is quite heartbroken here. They are not even expecting that, person A will ever come back. They feel betrayed. They feel it's over. They feel hurt. They feel bad. So will they take any action? I don't think so. From the cards I see, I don't feel person B is going to make. Yeah, they are healing. They are by themselves. They are thinking. They're praying. They're healing. And feeling all is lost here. So person A, Virgo, if this is you, you better rush fast. Person B is, yes, on the verge of dropping you, but there's still time, I feel. I still feel there's time. This person is healing. You can help them heal. You can help heal that broken heart of theirs, right? And person B, yes, you need to heal. Yes, this relationship is at a crossroads right now. Things are still up in the air, I feel, but there is a big possibility of a victory here. Okay? Depends if somebody will actually make that move and go for a reunion and not just hang around in this, stagnant place and just keep praying and manifesting and hoping and wishing. There's some action needs to be taken. There is victory here, and there is this possibility. Oh my God, this relationship still has a possibility of this Four of Wands, this is a soulmate bond. You guys can kind of get over this trouble and move together in a happy space. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.